Hi everyone, Alessandro here. Welcome to Qigong session 1. So one of the simplest exercises in Qigong is shaking the body and just clearing a lot of stagnation, if you like, energy that's a bit stuck. You shake the shoulders, shake the arms, just drop all the heaviness down to the earth. Shaking actually helps to reorganize the energy system, the heavy element going down to earth. And illness we see as heaviness, thoughts. So when you put your attention onto the body and shake, and especially with the hands, a lot of us work with computers and our phones, so very good to shake the hands and the fingers. Shake the legs also, and down to the feet, as if you're shaking water off the feet. And especially autumn, winter time, quite important to do more shaking. In the mornings, it gets your energy actually activated. It releases any stagnation, as we said, stuck energy, and gets the energy moving, heavy element down to earth, pure element up to the head. So you might feel quite a bit better after the shaking. And an interesting fact is that animals, when they have trauma, they shake it out. If people are in an accident, children often just shake, spontaneously after the accident and release the tension. Adults sometimes as well too. So shaking, releasing stress, reorganizing your energy system, and then you can just stand still for a few moments, allow everything to settle down to earth, and notice the body quite invigorated and ready to start the day.